I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by parking level with the ignition at accessory, because safety matters and electronics respond. First, visually inspect the blades, arms, and rubber for cracks or debris. Once done, top up washer fluid if low. Now operate the wipers on low and intermittent to observe noise, skipping, or streaking. This tells you whether to clean, adjust, or replace. Make sure to note any intermittent delay settings and whether spray pattern covers the windshield. Once you've diagnosed a worn blade, lift the wiper arm gently and secure it so it cannot spring back and chip the glass. Release the small retention clip, slide the old blade off the hook, and inspect the adapter. This prevents improper fit. Fit the new blade by aligning the tab and pressing until you hear the clip engage, because a locked blade prevents accidental release. Before lowering, check blade curvature matches the arm. Then lower the arm slowly to avoid contact damage. You finish by testing across all speeds and using the washer to confirm a full, streak-free sweep. This verifies correct seating and tension. If you notice chatter, skipping, or missed zones, make sure the blade is fully clicked into the adapter and the arm follows the glass contour. If problems persist, clean the windshield with glass cleaner, check arm spring tension, and replace the blade with the correct length and type. These steps solve most common wiper issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.